What's up everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. You're watching Shoe DIY, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to loosely lace your Nike Dunk Low. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to lace both the right and the left shoe, and then on each shoe when we get to the top I'm going to show you a slightly different way to finish off the lacing style. So we're going to start by taking the lace down through that first hole on the outside of the shoe. Just pull the lace a little way up into the shoe, and then when you take the lace across the front, flatten it out to get rid of any twists. And then we're going to take the end of the lace down through that first hole on the inside. So again, just pull your lace up a little bit, and then to make sure that our laces are the same length on both sides, we're going to put the ends together and pull up. Like that. So I can see that that's just got a little bit twisted there as it's gone in. So I'm just going to pull it out, turn it over and pull it back down again on the same side. I'm not going to pull that too tight either because it's nice and loose, which will suit our style. And then we're going to take the outside lace across the shoe to the inside second hole. If you catch the lace on your finger, it helps you to not only get rid of any twists that might come in the lace, but also it helps you to put a little loop that sits above the hole, and it gives that kind of nice loose look. Then we're going to take the inside lace across to the second hole on the outside of the shoe. Again, you want to leave a little bit of a loop sitting on the top like that. And then we're going to keep that lace in our hand and bring it across to that third hole on the inside. And all the time I'm just flattening out the lace as much as I can. And then take the inside lace across the shoe to the outside third hole. Keep that lace in your hand and bring it across the shoe to the fourth hole on the inside. And then take the inside lace across to the fourth hole on the outside. Now another tip as well, to make sure that your loops are the same, you just gently pull your shoe out a little bit, it will pull the loops stretched out, and then you'll make sure that they're all the same as each other. So then we come to the hoop in the tongue, so I'm going to slide the lace through that, keeping it as flat as possible, and then take it down through that next hole on the inside. And then take the inside lace, push it over the top of the lace that's already in the hoop. Just going to pull it out, turn it over because it's twisted, and then pull it back through flat, and then down through the next hole on the outside of the shoe. Like that. And then take that lace across, and we've got to the top part now, so I'm going to go to the next hole, second down from the top. And then take the inside lace, bring that down through the second hole from the top on the outside of the shoe. Again, I'm just going to pull the shoe out to make sure that the loops at the top are the same. And then I'm going to take the outside lace across to the top hole on the inside, and I'm going to take it out through like that, which will give me a little bit of a loop. And then I'm going to take the inside lace and out through that top hole. And again, I'm going to make sure that those two laces have matched each other. And then those two loops then are going to go behind the tongue. So if you push them there behind the tongue, they'll sit on top of your foot and under the tongue like that. And if I pull the tongue up as well, you can see what the style looks like. So there you've got your first way of finishing off that nice loose lace style. So let's move on to the left shoe. So on the left shoe, just like the right shoe, I'm going to take the lace down through that outside first hole. Just pull it up a little way into the shoe, and then just make sure that's all flattened out. The lace is flattened out before you take the end down through that first hole on the inside. And then to make sure our laces are the same length, we're going to put the ends together and pull up. Like that. So we're going to take that outside lace across the shoe to the inside second hole, just making sure as well that all the way through you're flattening out your lace as much as possible. Catch it on your finger and give it a little bit of a loop sitting above the hole. Just going to pull that in just ever so slightly, and then take the inside lace across to that outside second hole.
What's up everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. You're watching Shoe DIY, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to loosely lace.
And keep that lace in your hand to bring it across to the inside third hole.
What's up everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. You're watching Shoe DIY.
Then take the inside lace across to the outside third hole.
What's up everybody?
And now you've got a few hoops, just keep going to pull your shoes out to make sure that the loops are the same. Then keep that lace in your hand and bring it across the shoe to the fourth hole on the inside.
What's up everybody? Welcome back to
and then the inside lace comes across to the next hole on the outside.
I'm going to be showing you how to loosely lace your knife don't low.
Again, I'm going to stretch. I think some of these are getting a little bit wider. That's it, now they're all the same. And now we've come to the hoop on the tongue, so I'm going to push that outside lace through the loop, pulling it flat. If it twists, just pull it out, turn it over and pull it through, and then you're going to bring that down through the next inside hole and take the inside lace through the hoop over the top of the lace that's already there. Just slide it over the top and then down through the next outside hole. Like that. And then we're going to take this lace and we're going to bring it around the top and down through that second hole from the top.
What's up everybody? Welcome
and then the inside lace comes across and down through that second hole from the top.
I'm going to be showing you how to loosely lace your knife don't low.
And then I'm just going to pull out the shoe, and that makes sure that it's all the same, all the loops are the same. So whereas on the other shoe I took the outside lace and I took it out through that very top hole there, instead I'm going to take it out through the hole here, second from the top that's already got a lace in it. And the reason for that is because on this shoe I want to show that you can secure your loose lace style a little bit more if you take a lace through a hole that's already got a lace in it. Let me show you. So I'm going to take the two pieces of lace there, pull them up like that to move them out of the way a little bit, and then I'm going to try and put that through the bottom of the hole. So I'm going to push it through the bottom of the hole. Now if your shoes are new, you might need to be a little bit extra forceful. The Nike Dunk holes are very generous, but it might be a little bit tight if your shoes are new. And I'm just going to pull that out like that, which will leave me a little loop. I think as you pull it though, you might find that some of your loops come in a little bit. I'm just going to ease those back out again like this. And then I'm going to take that inside lace and I'm going to do the same on the other side. So I'm going to push it through that second hole from the top. So again, take the laces and pull them up out the way.
Welcome back.
And push that down through the bottom of that hole there.
What's up everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video.
So push it through. Make sure your laces are sticking out the same. And then those two hoops, I'm not going to take those behind the tongue yet because I can see that some of these have come in. So I'm just going to pull this one out and this one.
What's up everybody?
Just making sure that the loops are the same as each other. And then this one's got a little bit wide, so I'm going to pull that one in a little bit, like that. And then the loops go behind the tongue. So same as the right shoe, where you'd wear those two hoops on top of your foot and under the tongue. I'm just going to adjust those a little bit, like that. Now the difference with this one is if I just show you, if I try and pull that out, it's completely secure. So this way of finishing off your lacing style is for people that have said that sometimes they like wearing the loose style, but it tends to slip on their heel a little bit. This way of finishing off your lacing style, which still gives you that same loose look, but a little bit more securely finished, will stay on your feet and it won't slip on your heel. So you've got two that look very, very similar. The only slight difference is that this one comes out the top and this one comes out the same hole as the last loop that you've made. So there you have your loosely laced night dunks. Now I'm going to show you what they look like on feet. So there you have your night dunks loosely laced. I hope that was helpful. If it was, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and for future videos, subscribe. Thanks for watching.